Mark beside the numbers that are divisible by 2. Don't anti-binar, I'm going to tell you right now. Mark beside the numbers that are divisible by 2. So look, the rule for 2 is it has to be even. The last number has to be even. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. It could be 0. Okay? 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. There are 3 numbers that are divisible by 2 there. Go ahead and write them. Go ahead and write them down. We're going to do it together like that. I'm not going to give you the answers though. I'm just going to give you help. 3 numbers that are divisible by 2. Okay, look at number 2. Mark beside the numbers that are divisible by 3. There are 3 numbers that are divisible by 3. Remember what you have to do for 3. You need to add up the digits and decide if you can divide by 3 with those. Like look at the first one, 29. 2 plus 9 is 11. Can you divide 11 by 3, Ethan? No, so 29 is not divisible by 3, but there are 3 numbers that are. Stop your video and find the 3 numbers that are. Okay, look at number 3. Mark beside the numbers that are divisible by 4. Okay, remember the rule for divisible by 4. Either the last 2 numbers are 0 or the last 2 numbers are divisible by 4. There are 5 numbers that are divisible by 4 there. 5 numbers. They either have to end in 0 or they have to be divisible, or the last 2 numbers have to be divisible by 4. Stop the video and find them. Number 4, mark beside the numbers that are divisible by 5. Remember the rule for 5. It either ends in a 0 or it ends in a 5. Your numbers are, there are 3 numbers. Look at number 5. Mark beside the numbers that are divisible by 6. Mark beside the numbers that are divisible by 6. Remember there are 2, only 2. It has to be even, and it has to be divisible by 3. It has to be even, and it has to be divisible by 3. Okay? Look at numbers 6. Mark beside the numbers that are divisible by 9. There are 3 of them. All you have to do is add up the digits and make sure that you can divide them by 9. Remember, look at the first one. 477. 4 plus 7 is 11. 11 plus 7 is 18. Can you divide 18 by 9, Dueno? Yes, you can. So one of the numbers is 477. There are 3 of them. And look at number 7. Mark the ones that are divisible by 10. There are 3 of them. They have to end in 0. Okay? Now let's apply that rule to number 8. Let's apply that rule to number 8. Letter A, 279 over 801. We need to decide what number we can divide both of these by to reduce. Well, look, let's do this. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9, 10, okay? Can we divide these? Let's start with the biggest one. Can we divide these numbers by 10? No, because they don't end in 0. Can we divide these numbers by 9? Well, let's see. 2 plus 7 is 9. 9 plus 9 is 18. Can you divide 18 by 9? Yes, you can. 8 plus 1 is 9. Can you divide that by 9? Yes, you can. So you're going to divide this one by 9 to reduce. Okay? So you divide both numbers by 9. Let's do it over here. 9 into 279. 9 into 27 is 3. 3 times 9 is 27. 0, 9. 9 times 9 is 1. So this answer is 31 at the top. 9 into 8 is impossible. 9 into 80 is 8. This is 72. 81. That's 9. 89. And that's your reduced fraction. Okay? Let's do another one. Okay? Let's do letter B. 275 and 350. Okay, what I would do is write these on your paper, guys, so you can test them. Can you divide 275 by 10? No. Can you divide 275 by 9? Let's see. 2 plus 7 is 9. 9 plus 5 is 14. Can you do 14 divided by 9, Danielito? No. What about 6? 6, it has to be even, or it has to be divisible by 3. Can you divide this? Is this even? No. What about 5? It has to end in 0 or 5. Do these end in 0 and 5? Yes, they do. So divide by 5. Okay? Go ahead and just divide them by 5, and you'll get your answer. Okay? I'm going to tell you what to divide each one by. Look at 102 and 214 for letter C. 102 and 214. Okay. Can you divide by 10? No, because they don't end in 0. Can you divide by 9? Well, 1 plus 2 is 3, and you can't do 3 divided by 9. So no. Can you divide by 6? Well, they're both even, but 1 plus 2 is 3, and 3 divided by 6 is impossible. Can you divide by 5? No, because 2 and 4 are not 5 or 0. Can you divide by 4? No, because this isn't 0 and 0, and you can't divide 2 by 4. Can you divide by 3? Maybe, because 1 plus 2 is 3, and then 2 plus 1 is 3 plus 4 is 7. No, you can't divide by 3. Can you divide by 2? Yes, you can, because they're both even. So go ahead and divide by 2. Okay? Then on the last one, 200 and 400. Bada bing, bada boom. This one's going to be pretty easy. What are you going to divide by? Frankie, what are you going to divide by? 10. Because it ends in zeros. Okay? It ends in zeros. When you divide by 10, watch what happens. 200 divided by 10 is 20. And 400 divided by 10, you just take off a 0, is 40. Can you divide again? Divide by 10 again. That and that is 2, that and that is 4. Can you divide again? Yep. Is 1/2. Whew. And this is a long video, you guys. Look down at number 11. Number 11, just all you're doing is finding your least common denominator. And you're like, what are you talking about, Miss Jessica? You're finding your least common denominator, okay? Well, let's think about it. 5, 10, 15, 20, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. I can't find one. 3, 6, 9, I'm gonna have to write them. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30. Okay, 3, 6, 9, 12. 15. Is 15 common? No, because that doesn't have 15. 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. Woo. 30 is your answer on that one. That's the first one that they have in common, you guys. Okay? Look, long lesson for today, but you can do this. Okay? Send me a picture and I want to see how you're doing on it all. Okay? Bye, guys. Love you.